Welcome fellow investors and potential landlords to the alluring and lucrative world of Bangkok's rental properties. I get this question a lot. Should I do short-term rentals or long-term rentals? Does short-term rentals come with more risk, more tenant turnover, a higher chance of property damage? Is long-term rentals more stable and less worry? Today, let's address the common perceptions and misconceptions of both. And at the end, you might have a better idea of which to go for. So, let's get going. Short-term rentals represent an exciting venture in the hospitality industry, offering a range of benefits for property investors. Now, let's explore the pros of short-term rentals. Firstly, they provide lucrative returns with higher nightly and weekly rates. These rentals have the potential to yield greater monthly revenue compared to long-term lease. Secondly, pricing flexibility is a key advantage. Adjusting rates based on demand and seasonal patterns allows for optimized profits, especially during peak times. Thirdly, collaborating with property management companies is a practical option for landlords. These experts streamline operations, ensuring efficient property maintenance and enhancing the guest experience, leading to better occupancy and in turn, better revenues. Fourthly, short-term rentals can justify investments in attractive upgrades. Investing in modern amenities and regular property enhancements can attract more bookings and command higher rates. Check out my other video here about the recent trend of pleasure travelers. And also, do remember to subscribe to this channel for more updates if you haven't done so. Now, let's talk about the cons of short-term rentals. Firstly, high turnover. Frequent guest changes increase the workload of cleaning, check-ins, and reservation management. Secondly, seasonal demand. Fluctuations in occupancy occur due to varying seasonal patterns, impacting overall income. This is where the crucial knowledge to adjust rates accordingly to demand plays a part. Moving on to long-term rentals. These options provide a more stable and reliable income stream for property investors. Firstly, long-term leases ensure a steady income. Having tenants commit to longer periods results in predictable monthly revenue, minimizing financial uncertainty. Secondly, reduced vacancies are a significant advantage. Longer tenant stays translate to less time and effort spent searching for new occupants, reducing turnover costs. Lastly, managing long-term rentals often entails less frequent communication and management tasks, as tenants usually need to solve issues by themselves. Now, let's discuss the cons of long-term rentals. Limited rent increases. Increasing the rent can be a more daunting experience, as the emotional fear of losing the long-term tenant and having a vacant apartment for months without income might interfere with the logical aspect of raising the rents to the market rate. Longer commitment. Long-term leases restrict the flexibility to sell or make other investment decisions during the lease period. Slower upgrades. Property upgrades or renovations will need to wait until the lease ends to avoid inconveniencing tenants. The tendency for a landlord to regularly upgrade the apartment would be lesser, as the monetary returns are not as attractive as short-term rentals. The first misconception is that short-term rental tenants might damage the apartment more than long-term tenants since they are less vested in the property. The transient nature of tenant and higher turnover often translate to a better chance to encounter a bad tenant. However, contrary to this, in actual fact, both types of tenants hold an equal potential for causing damage. In fact, opting for short-term rentals may prove to be a wiser choice, providing a safer bet for landlords. With frequent inspections by either professional cleaners or the landlord themselves, any issues can be promptly identified and addressed, preventing minor damages from escalating into major problems. If a small damage can be detected earlier, then it will require less fixing, thereby less cost and time needed compared to damage that has mothballed over the length of a year or multiple years. Then the damage might be quite significant and will require a big renovation, leading to more time to fix meaning a longer vacancy period, affecting revenue, and a higher chance of confrontation with the tenant due to a high cost. Hence, short-term rentals offer landlords the advantage of timely intervention, safeguarding the property's condition and overall profitability. As a landlord or property investor, your choice between short-term and long-term rentals should align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Short-term rentals offer higher returns with more effort, while long-term rentals offer stability and less management hassle. Whichever path you choose, keep in mind that Bangkok's vibrant real estate market presents a realm of opportunities for success. Take time to analyze your objectives and tailor your investment strategy accordingly. This is Win signing out. I'll see you in the next video. If you have liked our content, do give us a like and a share or a comment below. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so to be informed of future content like this.